Hannover Fair is the central platform for the manufacturing industry worldwide. At our booth, Atos showcases innovative solutions for the digital transformation of manufacturing companies based on our strong footprint in this market. Our solutions help our customers to be ahead of digital possibilities and maximize their existing resources. We also develop applications for the Siemens IoT platform MindSphere, an example of our close working relationship with Siemens. Thanks to these applications, manufacturing companies increase their efficiency by up to 20%. Throughout all of these, we are leveraging our expertise in data analytics, SAP, cybersecurity, IoT, and the workplace of the future. I am looking forward to meeting you at the Hannover Fair to discuss what we at Atos can do to ensure a holistic, innovative, and secure digital transformation.